everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today, I'm super excited. We got something we're gonna unbox. Or on clamshell or something, or frustration-free packaging it. We're gonna get this thing out of this little package here because we have Milwaukee's M18 XC6.0 battery. We finally have it here, and we're gonna see how much bigger or smaller it is than the other offerings. And we're doing it in just 10 seconds. We're back. But before we get on to unpackaging this new battery, I want to talk about Milwaukee's new stud tape measure. Okay? If you go on over to this video here and you're watching this before the end of September 2018, you have a chance, if you're going over to that video, to win one of these tapes. Go and check out the video, see if you qualify, and get entered to win if you do. If this is your first time on the channel, you might not know, when it comes to battery testing here on YouTube, we're kind of a big deal. We do videos based on run times, discharge times, sizes, weights, measures, all kinds of stuff. So we were really excited when we got this new XC6.0 HO battery from Milwaukee. This fits all M18 tools. It's a high output battery, 50% more power and runs cooler. Okay, it has the REDLITHIUM technology built into it. Like I said, it's XC6.0. It comes with a 3-year battery warranty. You can see the scale here, XC, it's right there in the middle. Heavy demand, XC, light demand. This shows you the different tools. Now, this is the thing. Why do you want this 6.0 battery, this HO 6.0 from Milwaukee? You might be asking yourself that question right now before I get this unpackaged. This battery is the counterpart to this battery here. This is the 12.0 battery. These are both HO in architecture, high output. They're made for tools like SDS Plus and Max rotary hammers. They're made for tools in the M18 line that will benefit from a high output battery, okay? The circ saw, for instance, is one of those tools. The big thing that people have been saying with their circ saw kit that includes the 12 amp hour battery is that it's a handful of a tool. It becomes a handful with this 12 amp hour battery. So here's the solution. The 6.0 battery. Or is it? Well, let's get it unboxed, packaged, clamshell, get it on the scale, we'll compare it. We'll get to put it beside some of the other battery offerings over here, and we'll figure it out. Well, I gotta tell you, most times, my Para 3 from Spyderco, American made, Golden, Colorado, here on USA Earth, planet Earth, it makes most packages frustration free. We open up the back of the clamshell. We're gonna pull this battery. I like that, I love that new smell. Quite frankly, there really doesn't have much smell at all. What do we have in here? Well, we have our important safety instructions. This is lithium-ion technology, batteries. You're gonna wanna read this stuff. I'm probably gonna save this for later on when I'm like sitting down, I have nothing better to do. You know what I mean? Let me think about a situation when I could sit down, I'm sitting down, I have nothing better to do. Usually in that situation, I'm using some other type of paper. But maybe I'll read these instructions. But for now, I'm gonna set them aside. All right. Like all Milwaukee's M18 battery, has nice rubber overmold at the bottom in case you drop it. Okay. At the bottom of the battery, you can see the architecture and the size. This battery's 108 watt hours. It was shipped to us with 1 bar. So they're not really charging up these batteries before they send them out. A lot of people say that, oh, you know, lithium-ion batteries shouldn't be stored or shipped with too much or too little of a charge. Okay. But let's just get them kind of side by side. I mean, it's substantially smaller compared to the 12 amp hour battery. I think we were gonna have to put it on the scale and get some calipers, but let's just kind of put it next to the 9 amp hour battery. If you take a look at the 9 amp hour battery, they're very similar in size. The 9 amp hour is slightly taller than the 6 amp hour. The 6 amp hour is slightly wider and longer than the 9 amp hour battery. And then the 6 amp hour compared to the 5 amp hour, the 5 amp hour looks like a miniature battery. It's shorter, okay? It's substantially shorter in this dimension, shorter in that dimension, and when it comes to width, it's a little thinner. Okay, so let's put the 6.0 on the scale. So we got 2 pounds, 6.3 ounces. Let's compare that to the 12.0. So we have 3 pounds, 5.7 ounces. A 12 amp hour battery is only less than 1 pound more for double the capacity. If you have tools that require a high output battery, you can use these batteries, but they're not a high output battery. That means you will not be getting the full performance from tools like the chainsaw or the table saw. So keep that in mind. They will run it, but they're not going to run it at the full performance. Okay, we have the 9.0 on the scale. So the 9.0 is clocking in at 2 pounds, 6.1 ounces. And then the good old 5.0. We have 1 pound, 9.8 ounces. Pretty much can see the weight difference and how much you're going to be lugging around if you're going from the previous generation circ saw. Okay, a lot of times it came with the 5.0. If you're moved into the new improved circ saw, and you know the high output version that's going to take advantage of this new battery, you wanted to outfit it with the 6.0 instead of the 12.0, you can see the size difference and what you're going to be moving up to. With a single-handed power tool, like a circ saw, for instance, you know, 1 pound makes a big difference if you're using it all day long. So, would I grab 2 6.0s instead of 1 12.0? Heck yeah. 2 reasons. It's a pound lighter. The other reason is, when this 6.0 goes dead, you can take your backup 6.0, put it on the tool, go back to work, while you put this dead 6.0 on the charger and get it ready to be back in service. Let's get some dimensions here. Width-wise, we're looking at 3.31 inches. Height-wise, we're looking at 3.22 inches. All right, for total length, let's see what we have. We're looking at 5.43 inches. If you wanted to see the dimensions of the 12.0 exactly, make sure you're going on over to this video here. But I gotta tell you, even though it's only supposedly a pound less, it is feel much lighter, and it's definitely way more compact. If you're gonna be using this on a tool like, I don't know, a super sawzall or a circular saw, I think the better bet would be to get a 2-pack of these 6.0s. It's going to make operating it in an all-day situation much easier on the user. Plus, you have the ability to pop one of these off, recharge it, pop on a fresh battery if you're buying these in a 2-pack. It's going to keep the tools working, and that means you're going to be able to stay working. And if you like the idea of staying working and making more money, then smash the like button. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here while we did this unboxing. You know we're going to have a charge time video and a runtime video. It's going to be great. We'll see you all on the next one, everybody. I'm going to go play with my batteries. Bye. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.